Hello and welcome to our Wednesday stream, or should I say Thursday stream. What's up, everyone? Welcome. Hi to Kareem and Bleached. How you guys doing? And to the rest of you who is currently watching right now, welcome. How you guys doing? I'm so sorry I was not able to do a stream yesterday. It was a special night, special day yesterday, so I apologize. I hope you guys spent um, Valentine's Day yesterday, a very good one, if you will. But yeah, today we'll be back at it. Once again, I apologize if we were not able to do much this week. On Monday, I tried to stream on Twitch, but I don't know. I didn't feel good that time. So hopefully today we'll do better. Yeah. Hi Bleach, how you doing? And what else? So the good news is now I am using Streamlabs. So now I am doing multi streaming on YouTube and on Twitch. I hope it's working, to be honest. Let me try to go to twitch.com, Twitch the TV that BB Poly Daddy. Let me try to go to twitch.com. Okay, that's perfect. Twitch the TV that BB Poly Daddy. Let me try to okay, go no, to shut up. Shut up. You're not supposed to talk, but that's good. And on my YouTube, it's streaming as well. So great. Anyway, how was your Valentine's Day? Mine was pretty good. I spent time with loved ones, if I can say that. Loved ones, quote unquote. How are you doing? How was your Valentine's Day? But yeah, it was a good day. I worked, obviously. Finally, I have a real job. So it's been quite an interesting week, to be honest. Especially the first 3 days of my work. Is it my third day? It is my third day. No, it was my fourth day today. So now I felt like my first 4 days at work is good because I was able to smoothly understand the technology that they're using, and now I'm just like finishing my first project, which is quite good. I thought I'm gonna take quite a while to work on my project, but after going through the APIs that they have, after going through the front end side of things, I was able to understand it. And now I feel like I'm confident. I feel like I can do great things in my new job. So after this, maybe in the weekends, I will update now my LinkedIn profile and say, oh, I finally have a job. Anyway, that's great. Just work, LMAO, and then gym. That's great. I mean, you're taking care of yourself. That's good. And that's it. Hope you're enjoying it there, man. Yeah. I'm enjoying it. I'm doing great. Why is the chat on your stream vanishing? Streamlabs? Yeah, now I'm using Streamlabs. Is there any way I can like change that or update that to not going away? I think I can. I'll always show messages and disable message animations, show platform icons, yes. Badges, show moderator, subscriber, show Twitch Prime badges, show top coin holder badges, extra. There you go. Now that is also working. Because I feel like when we were using OBS or Twitch Studio, they're not really working. The alerts, the notification. So yeah, this is great. I'm happy with Streamlabs. I already like subscribed to their Ultra, and finally I was able to make it work. Hold on, let me just fix my chat. It should not be going away, I believe. Okay, so that should stay as is. It should not go away. Hold on, sorry. It's just messy in here. There you go, that's perfect. Oh, what are you doing? Stay there. There you go. I'm such a mess. Let me just fix that once again. There you go. Can you guys try to chat? I hope it's not gonna vanish this time. Yes, I was using Streamlabs. Let me go at it again. I don't know. Always show messages. Hide delay. No, don't hide. Don't hide. If I turn it to 0, is it gonna... Yeah, I think it's gonna be... Yeah. Chat delay? Nope. Okay, I think that's good. This effects look sick. Hi Alex, welcome to stream. Hi to Colombia. Good to see you. Welcome. I'm seeing new faces here and there. So welcome everyone. I'm happy to see you all in here. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Today, we'll be continuing the Shopify theme development and we'll try to create a new template. Try to finish a template today. Okay? So that's what we're going to do today. And while we're doing that, as always, if you guys have any questions, suggestions, requests, ideas of what we can do today, let me know. I'm always open to ideas. Okay? If you have any funny thing to say, if you have, you know, Gen Z jokes that I need to know, let me know. But still, I think the chat's still the same. Is it still the same? Still going out? I hope not. Anyway, yeah, that's good. Right. So let me just go back to Discord. Thanks so much for sharing the link. Also, speaking of that, if this is your first time here on Weekly How, on my stream, on Twitch, if this is your first time, don't hesitate to join our Discord server. Every URL should be down in the description below. Check them out. And if you want to support Weekly How, there's plenty of links down there that you can do to support us, me. So yeah. Okay. I have a question for this topic. How does it work? How to customize theme in Shopify for Shopify theme updates? I'm not sure I understood the question. Maybe you meant how to customize a theme in Shopify whenever Shopify updates. Can you clarify your question, please? Thank you so much. I can do some real Colombian jokes, but we're on YouTube right now. Do it on Twitch. There's a Twitch. Okay. Right. Let's do this. Let me just minimize that and I'll start opening my Visual Studio Code. Shopify themes. Okay, there it is. And now I can maximize this. Is my screen clear? Because now that the template of my stream is different, I hope it's still like looking the same. Or it's at least it's still visible, if that makes sense. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to zoom in further. Yeah, it's all about cocaino colombiano, if you want to know. Yeah, the Shopify updates rewrites the customization. I covered this in the previous stream. Like whenever you, the hell is going on outside? Whenever you work on your Shopify themes, your updates is gone, right? Is that what you're trying to say? I'm not sure if I get what you're trying to get from me. The Shopify updates rewrite the customization. So whenever you turn off your Shopify CLI and you rework on it again the next day, your customization is gone. Is that it? If that's the case, I already covered this in the previous stream, but I can always like go back to it. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's do that. By the way, are you sitting in a new place? Thank you so much, Gustavo, for subscribing. Are you sitting in a new place, or like, do you have a new camera angle? I do have a camera angle, a new camera angle. Because my camera is sitting right on top of my monitor, and I just like moved it a little bit, so it's a different angle. Don't worry about that. Because at the top of my monitor, I look like it's so high. So just leave it alone there. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to execute, sorry about that, npx, or maybe I already have here, so let's just run that and do the same thing here. So let's change our current directory to live weekly how, and let's run Shopify theme dev. Nope, that's not what I'm trying to write. Hold on. Dev. Perfect. So let's just wait for that. Okay. So are we still working on our Shrek project? Yes, we are still doing that. Like I said, we're gonna finish this. It's taking some time, but we're doing great. I think that's the whole point of it. It doesn't really need to be finished as soon as possible. We're just taking some time. Okay. Maybe I should disable the stream elements now. I don't need that anymore. I'm gonna do that after. Okay, so now it's has given us the following URL. And now it's synchronizing. Let's just wait for that to finish. Otherwise, I also have this scene right here. If you guys wanna switch up something. Okay. Let's do this. Right. Let me just open this. Open that. Oh no, the chat is gone. What happened? We can't see the code with this angle. With this? But this works. Okay. Right. So we're here now in the theme editor, and in the previous stream we worked on the footer. Now we have the following, not the footer, Oh yes, the footer. It's called the footer. And we can subscribe to newsletters, which is great. And I think what you're trying to say is the settings by default, whenever you work on it again, it just disappears. It doesn't work anymore. The settings. So if that's the case, what you can do is to work on your schema, on your data schema data, if that's the right word. Let me just double check the tailwind. Okay, so it didn't work. What's the problem? Specify the input file. src tailwind says does not exist. Okay, it's not gonna work, and that's because we are in the wrong directory. We should do it here. Okay, so now it's good. We can just hide that. And okay, so this is the footer section. What can we do here? Because right now it doesn't have any URL. So the blocks disappeared. So we open the layout and then the theme.liquid. We have the section footer here, but it's not using any blocks. So whenever we restart our Shopify CLI, the blocks that we used last time is gone. So we need to find a way to ensure that they are there all the time. Okay, so let's try that. So here in the footer, I'm going to open the links. That should give us the following. And I'm gonna add another link. And I'm gonna add another link. So now we have the following. Great. And let us also add Facebook. So there's an icon of Facebook right over there. And for its URL, let's just add a number sign. So it's just a placeholder URL. So let's do the same thing for Instagram. Use that. That's quite annoying, but let's do it one more time for GitHub. Come on. There you go. Now if we save this, this should update our schema data. What am I talking about? Which one is the data schema or schema data? You should find it inside of the config. I actually pronounced it wrong, or I was wrong. It's supposed to be the settings data, not schema data or whatsoever. Data schema. Stupid. It's settings data. Okay, so this is the one. I'm making a lot of mistakes and this is quite embarrassing. It's the settings schema, not the settings data. The data is for the themes, for the theme settings. I'm talking about the colors, the typographies, whatever. The settings schema is the value settings. It can be confusing, I know. It can be very, very confusing, but hear me out. I don't even know how to do this anymore. I feel like I've just been away for a couple of days, more than a week, and I don't know how to live stream anymore. I'm so sorry. Anyway, this is an embarrassing moment. Give me a break. Hold on. Okay. So, Hold on, let me just refresh my mind because I feel like I've been taking a lot of informations ever since I started my new job. I'm learning Vue.js. I'm learning Python. Yeah, I never talked about this, but the stack that we're using is Python, TypeScript, JavaScript, um, Flask for APIs, Python, whatever, and yeah, it's just a lot, honestly. And now I'm back to like live stream. I just don't even know what I'm talking about. I think you should drink some coffee before streaming. I should do that. But yeah, I am lost. I am lost right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm kidding. I know what I'm doing. Just give me a few minutes just to take in everything that I'm doing right now. Okay, so setting schema is where you'll be creating the settings for the entire theme, for the entire Shopify theme. This is where you can create the typography settings, the theme color settings, the checkout settings, if you will. This is where you do that in the settings schema. In the settings data.json is where you will be giving default values to your settings. Okay? This is where you're doing that. I hope it makes sense. Once again, the settings schema is where you'll be creating your settings for the entire Shopify theme. This is where you can create the color settings, the typography settings to change the entire Shopify theme's fonts and colors. Okay, this is where we did the color schemes. That's clear. Settings data is where you'll be giving default values to your settings. Okay, that's why we have here the color schemes, and we have scheme 1. And we gave all of this a default value, a default hex values. This is where you'll be doing that. So this is where we're going to give our footer section default values. So notice that we have here presets, the default. So you'll find that default in the theme settings. So if we go back to Shopify CLI's theme editor, I already did that. It should be in the browser. If you notice here, we have basic settings and we have theme styles. The default is this. That is the default. Okay? Perfect. So this is where we're gonna create the default value for the footer. Can we do that? Okay. Let me just go back to the chat. How are we doing there? I think you should drink coffee. Okay. Python. Damn. To be fair, I'm not an expert in Python, but I was able to understand their API. So I'm very proud of myself that. If you're using Python, good for you. But now I'm also doing backend. So that's pretty exciting. Thank you so much, Bleach. That's pretty good. Which library in Python? Well, we're using Marshmallow. We are using Flask for creating the APIs. There's plenty of libraries that we're using. I can't even name all of them. Yeah. The laptop is right over there, but anyway, I'm not gonna reach to that. Next up, how hard is the transition to Liquid if you are okay in JavaScript and React? Just to be clear, Liquid is very different from JavaScript and React. That's just one of the things that you should know. It's not the same. If you're asking how hard is the transition, I would say it can be difficult. because first of all, the syntax are different. It's not the same. And second, the concept of liquid is very different from JavaScript and React. React is a JavaScript framework, and JavaScript is a programming language, and they have different purpose. Liquid, on the other hand, is more like a language built on top of Shopify. That makes sense. Is that something that you can comprehend? Trying. So you can only use Shopify Liquid on Shopify themes. You cannot use that outside of it. Okay? Whereas JavaScript, you can literally use that everywhere. Not everywhere, but like you can use it as is, or you can use it with HTML, with many things. You can create your own library with JavaScript. Okay? All right. But thank you for the question. So yeah, it's very different. So how hard is it? It can be difficult. But if you can understand JavaScript, Liquid is, I'm pretty sure you'll understand Liquid pretty much. But thank you for the question. Okay, so now setting schema and settings data is now clear. We can finally do our default values here. So how can we do that? I don't know. I have no idea how to do this. Color schemes, let's just skip that. I believe we just need to put here the section. Okay, let's do footer. Okay. Go here in the footer.liquid, we have schema, and we have, I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, let me just go to Shopify done. Because to be fair, I don't know how they do that. Let's take a look at settings data.json. Okay, so they have color schemes. Okay, great. But what about the footer? I'm looking for the footer. So sections. They're not really adding anything here, which is surprising. Okay, I think I know now why. So I believe to make this work, we need to add a preset. There should be presets here because we're not doing any presets here. So underneath of the blocks, let me just correct myself once again. Okay, I said earlier that if you want to give your Shopify theme footer a default value for this, you're gonna use settings data. In a way, you can do that for other section, but this time is a different scenario. For footer, you can use presets. So here in the blocks, or under the blocks, we're going to add the presets, and then we're going to create the blocks. Okay? And we can do that by using the type here. Okay. I believe we can use type. Hold on, let me just use a reference. Blocks, no, presets. I'm not doing that, not doing that, doing that. Hold on. Okay. But what about the blocks? We're not using anything. Okay. So preset blocks. Pretty sure it's gonna be an object. And then the type, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Let's try GitHub URL. Let me just turn that off, get rid of that, and open the terminal to see if this is gonna be a problem. So if I save that, okay, so we got an error. Invalid preset name is required. Okay, so we're missing something here, right? Name. We'll just call this default footer. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so default footer, invalid block, undefined block type. Right. Name GitHub. No, I'm not sure that's how you should do it. Okay, so it's gotta be an object, but it's not giving me any. It's not giving me any recommendation of what I should type in here. Link. Valid block link, undefined block type. Let me go back here and let's look at a reference. Hold on. Footer. Let's scroll all the way down. Okay. So we have default here. Okay, so we don't have to use presets actually. There's a default key. I never used that before, but let's try. Default and blocks. Is that how you should do it? Nope. It's going to be an array. Hold on, I'm doing it wrong. It's not supposed to be angle brackets. It should be blocks here. And then an array. And the type will be set to link. Okay? There's an error. Incorrect type expected in array. But bizarrely, it's an object here, and we're passing blocks, and we have an array of object with types. They should work. Okay. Invalid block link. Let me just double check. It's supposed to be footer link list. Or link list, sorry. Let me try it again. Okay. Supposed to be footer link list. Footer link list. Go back in here. Let's try it again. Save it. Okay, so it's still an error. Invalid block footer linked list undefined block type. What if we just copy this? That's very weird. Still giving the same error. Okay. Oh, it's still an error. What if I give this an empty array? Now it's saved. We don't have a block. So we give this, if we give that a GitHub URL, for example, no, maybe it's supposed to be GitHub link. There we go. Okay, so it's supposed to be the type of the block, not the type of the setting. So that makes more sense. Okay, I forget now. I'm getting lost on. I'm getting so lost in this. Right. So for the default, you need to create blocks, an array of blocks, and you need to specify the type of the block, and that type is the type of the block that you created. Okay, so we're using footer link here. So here in the default for the blocks, you can create an array of object with type, and you pass there the type of the block. Okay, so let's do another one. Let me just put semicolon or comma over there, and let's give it a type, and the type that you will need to put in here is the footer link, which is the type. It can be very confusing because there's also a type here in the settings, so most of the time you'll make a mistake right there, and that's normal. I did a mistake too, as you can see. So let's do the footer link, put it here, footer link, underscore link. Let's do that. Let's double check the Shopify CLI, make sure that there's no error. There we go. Good. Let's go back to the browser here. Let's reload. Okay. We still have it because we already did this before. So what we're going to do is we're going to restart our Shopify CLI. That way everything is back to 0. Nothing, nada. So let's turn this off, Control C, clear the terminal, and run Shopify theme dev once again. That should reload everything. Okay. There we go. Let's just wait for it to synchronize. Okay. Now we should be good. So let's go back to the theme editor right here. And if I reload this, everything should go back to the start. There you go. So now we just have one footer link list, one footer link, and the GitHub link. So if you want to give this default values, so whenever you restart your Shopify CLI, it's still there, you would need to do that. But the question now is, okay, we gave it a default value, we gave it a default blocks, but what about if we change the footer links? What if we are going to use a different link list. Let me try and show you what I'm trying to say. So let me just duplicate this a couple of times, 4 times, and you know what? While we're at it, let's also use the other block. So let's turn that into Instagram. I think it was Instagram, right? Instagram URL, Instagram link, and Facebook link. Okay. So here, let's change this to Instagram link. Let's turn this to Facebook link. And let's go back here, turn that off, restart the Shopify CLI, and see what will happen. Okay. Now let's go back to the browser after that's synchronized. Oops. Sorry. I accidentally clicked that. So I'm not supposed to. We can close this. Okay. I think we can now refresh this. And this time, notice that here in the footer, we finally have the following. Everything is displayed. Now, if we want to give them different link list, what we're going to do is to specify the setting. Okay, so let's, for example, for the second footer link, we're gonna use setting and then specify the setting ID. Supposed to be settings, I believe. Settings. And then we need to I believe this is going to be an array. And then we'll give this a type of, which one is it? The footer, right? So the footer link has a setting of footer link list. So here, let's use the footer link list, and I'm not sure if it's default or value. I have an idea. So they should be in the templates. So for example, the index.json. Okay, so here we're doing it like this, right? I believe it's going to be the same thing. So you have settings. It's not going to be an array, but rather it's going to be an object. But here we're going to specify the setting ID. So footer link list, you guys remember? Footer link list, that's the ID of the setting. So here in the blocks, we have the settings. And we just need to give this a value. So which handle of link list are we going to put in here? So let's go back to the admin. And then at the navigation, we have the following menus. If we add a new menu, for example, I don't know, man. Give me an idea. Give me a title. Give me a title. Come on, guys. Let's make this live stream interactive for a good time. You guys have any idea what we can call this? Hi, Amine. Welcome back. How are you doing? I'm great. Now we're just back at this. I apologize, I was not able to do live stream yesterday, but now we're here again. How are you doing? I'm great. I'm doing great. My question is the same. How are you doing? I guess right now I'm just asking for a good time with everyone. So if you guys have any idea what we can call this link list, that would be great. It's just a funny title that you guys can give, whatever. Just interact with me, please. Give me a good time. Let's give this a company story. And I guess let's just put number sign. Let's add that. And here, let's say the beginning. And the ending. I don't even know why I'm doing this. But the whole point is we are creating a new linked list that we can use in the default here, the setting. So whenever we restart our Shopify CLI, this setting, this block will have a default footer linked list. We already have a home. The home is the header. It's right over there, but okay, sure. Let's give you home. For Amine, I'll give you a home. Since it's home, homepage. There you go. And let's put it right here. What about the title? I'm asking for like the title of the menu. Help me with that. I don't know. I can't think properly. Give me a good title for this linked list. Main menu. But we already have main menu. Central menu. Shrekish menu. That's big brain right there. Shrekish menu. I like that. I mean, a high five. Thank you for that. Participation, 50 points. You'll be graduating here. Perfect. So we have the handle here. We're gonna copy that and put it right here in the footer link list of the second block. Okay, so that's it. We can do the same thing for the other blocks. For example, this one right here and this one right here. If you want, you can change the handle to something else, to the footer menu. We already have that. Let's do the main menu. Let's copy the main menu. Okay, let's do here. We can also create another one. Let's do that. Let's create a new main menu. Okay. What else? Do you guys have idea what we can call this? Access? Something funny. Give me something funny. Something that will make the girls giggle or whatever. What is your favorite food? Chicken masala. Okay, so we're here now in the menu items. What links can we put in here? Be funny. Artificial intelligence. Page contact. What else? Give me something. You guys watching right now, I see like we have 9 people watching. Give me something. Oh shit. Oh. Nothing? There's nothing? What about on Twitch? Do we have something on Twitch? On Discord, nothing? Why we are not a scam? That's really smart. Why we are not a scam? I like that. I like that. Thank you so much, Amine, for participation. There we go. Add. Or are we? Or are we? I'm just answering the the question. There we go. So let's copy the handle, chicken masala, and put it here. There we go. Is this gonna work? Let's find out. It worked. We don't have any errors in the Shopify CLI. So now, if we reload this, there you go. As you can see, we now have chicken masala right over there. If you guys noticed that, if you guys are paying attention, chicken masala is finally in the footer. Shrekish menu as well. We have the home, we have the company story, we have the beginning and the ending. We have the artificial intelligence. We have why we're not a scam, or are we? There it is. So whenever you restart your Shopify CLI, whenever you do that, the links will be right there. You can do the same thing for the GitHub, for the GitHub URL, for the Facebook link, for the Instagram link. You can specify the value for your settings. You can do that by creating the settings and using the ID of the setting. Okay? You can put it there, and whenever you restart your Shopify CLI, you'll be able to see it there. No need to go back to footer, add a block, add a section. Don't need to do that anymore. Okay? Oh, Cornell, yo, welcome. Finally, I'm doing Streamlabs. I paid for it. So now we are better here. So whenever something happens, like bam, bam. Oh, hold on, maybe I can just test it. There you go. Hold on. Yeah. That's so stupid. You're a funny guy, Bernard. You should start a comedy channel. I mean, technically, Weekly How is a comedy channel. I am so excited to like publish my next video. It's a funny one. It's a funny one. I'm telling you that. No spoilers, but like, it's a funny one. I don't know if it's a funny one, and to my standards, it is. Cornell, welcome back. To be fair, I kind of missed everyone. So I missed Mine, I missed Bleach, I missed Cornell. You guys you have been missed. So I'm really happy to be back in here. I feel like the time was very slow. And now, hell yeah. Let's go. Finally have donation. Thank you so much for that, Cornell. You're amazing as always. If you guys can do the same thing, the rest of you, 8 viewers, rain me some money. That would be great. Thank you so much, Cornell. Once again, you're great. Should I like do dance move whenever someone like donate or something? I miss my long lost friend Signdog. Yeah, I don't know where he is now. We lost a lot of comrades this past few days, and it's pretty sad. Play the music, please. Do you have a music? Let's go to epidemic sound. Holy shit. You just donated 25 bucks. I can buy myself a grocery this week. Okay, I'm gonna show my feet. This is my my OnlyFans. Nah. If someone donates 500, I'll show my feet. This is funny. Okay, let's play some music. A sad one. A sad one. Music. Welcome. Shout out to Cornell for being an amazing weekly house member. And whenever he's here, he makes everything memorable. And I'm always touched by everything that you guys are doing to this community. There's nothing else I can do but appreciate every single one of you. So if there's anything that you want me to do, regardless of how stupid that is, I'll do it. I'll even show off my feet. Do you want my ass? I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. I'll do it. I can sell my soul to the devil for you. Wait, did you clip that? Did not clip that. I beg. I just embarrassed myself. I'm not really good at that. Epic trailer mode. But good music though. Look at the picture I sent you. I found a way to make the account page. Okay. Let me go to your chat. Something happened here. No? I'm afraid to click this. I'm so afraid to click this. I'll go back to that. Okay, so what we have here. Yay! Let's go. Let's go. That's great. Good job. I feel proud. I feel proud of that. I'm so happy. Good job, Cornell. You did so good. This is great. Good job. Give it up for Cornell. He did so well. For someone who is not a Shopify developer, you are now a Shopify developer. You did great. You did amazing. No app? Are you kidding me? Good job, man. You did well. So I'm so proud of you. Give it up. Okay, so what happened in the weekly how? Hi. Welcome. Shout out to Cornell for being an amazing weekly how member. I mean, you can save that. You can save that to your file drives. And you now have my face saying Cornell. Thank you for that. It's not the embarrassing part, so I don't mind. It's the good start. The later part of the embarrassment, good thing it didn't happen. So good. Nice design. Yeah, it was good. So I'm very proud of you, Cardinal, for doing that. I teamed up with a friend that's a dev, can take all the cred. Okay, that makes more sense. But you did good. And with your friend, you guys did great. Is he also a Shopify developer, or is he new to Shopify development? So how is that? Does he know how to make Shopify themes? Because if he's also new to Shopify theme development, then that's great. That's great that he knows how to do it. Which reminds me of one of our members is like a developer, and his wife learned from my courses. I still remember that. I can't forget that. Knowing that a family is watching my video. That's the cheesiest way to put it. But yeah, it's great when I hear that story. Never forget that. I'm not posting the full clip yet. I'm making a YouTube channel called Weekly How Clips. Oh boy. I'm not stopping you. If you want to make that, and then just like monetize it. You can make money out of it. I don't really mind. You can do that. Just don't post my entire video. I'm gonna copy strike you if you do that. I'm kidding. Okay. Bleached, please. And Cornell will help me fund the channel. As always. He's not a Shopify developer, he just read the document. That's impressive then. If he's not a Shopify developer, he just read the entire documentation, that's impressive. Of course, Bleach, I will fund your channel. Go for it. Gotta expose Bernard there. Not your video, stream clips. Yeah, perfect. I give you permission to do that. You can do that. I don't even know if I'm funny. Is there any moment that I'm actually funny in one of my videos? I should start being funny. So we can like become a meme. That's one of my goals, like I said before. I want to become a meme. I want to be like, whenever I open my phone and go to stories or feeds, I see my face. Or you know those like green screen with like captions that is not even related to the green screen? I want to be like that. So if you guys need like, is there any way I can add a new scene? My whole face. Let me set up a new scene. Oh, it transitioned over there. Hold on, it's currently black, but you'll find my face right later. Hold on, give me a... There you go. So you can clip this, green screen, make me funny, add some effects, a caption that says, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let me just go back over there. Did you read that my friend just read the docs from Shopify? Yeah, I read it. It was impressive. Am I reading it right? Did you read that my friend just read the docs from Shopify? Yeah. Is that my question to me? It was impressive, like I said. If he can do that, he's a good developer. If he's not relying on AI, ChatGPT, whatsoever, to learn programming, it is impressive. Knowing how to... I'm calling Miguel. I'm calling Miguel. Someone took a screenshot of my face, Miguel. They posted on Discord. And now everyone can see my face. What? I'm a meme now? Well, I guess I can't complain. Thank you for that. We will customize the theme a little bit. That is my new phone. Oh my god. Make that emoji. You know what? Let's do that. I'm copying that. PNG to emoji. Let me open Paint. Hold on. Hold on. Come here. Let me just... This part right here. Crop. Is it... Is that it? Okay, let me save that. Put it in my desktop. Emoji. Face. There you go. Let's go here. Import the image. Desktop. Copy that. Paste. What is the size of it again? Let's go to YouTube Weekly How. And let me try to go to my studio. Customization. Hold on. Membership. Let's go here. Customize default perks. Emoji. What's the size? 32 by 32 pixels. Okay, I think that's good. Image. This is not it. No, 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 no. I want to turn that into an emoji. That's not what I'm trying to. Uh, Hold on, it's not working. It's not working properly. How can I? We do not upload files to the server, hence. Should I just drop it over there? I'm not sure how to do this. Hold on. Give me a few seconds. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. How do you do this? Maybe I'll just resize it. Resize it. We'll just resize it. Open with Paint. Go here. Resize. Pixels. 32 pixels. No, it's supposed to be this. 32. There you go. Save that. Close that. Go back to YouTube. Add another emoji. What should we call this? Poker face? Select image. There you go. You have a new emoji. Ah, that's smart. Okay. Emoji. Okay. Can you? I don't think you can use dot symbols. There's no way. It's a special character. Yeah, you can't use that. Just okay. It's published. I don't know if that's gonna be available for everyone. Try it. It's not there. No, we can't use the dots. Oh, it's right there. Oh, didn't work. It's great. Oh, you guys are legends. Anyway, let's go back to it. I felt like that was a good break. Thank you so much for that. Hi to every single one of you who joined recently. You guys are probably confused like what we're doing. No, you can use it. It's for everyone. Maybe you just need to refresh your YouTube. Just refresh it, and this time you should have it. Can we make it so that it's written okay in the emoji? What do you mean? Like there's a says okay? It's gonna take some time. I don't want to put time into it right now. I'm working on plenty of things too. For the emojis, I'm working on new things, but I'll need to publish those once my video is uploaded. That's the plan. But yeah, we're gonna have more emojis later. Okay. Great. So enjoy that. Enjoy my. Oh, this is good. This is great. Thank you for that. Whoever's screenshot. Oh, by the way, hold on. Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. I need some help regarding the Shopify APIs. I want to get the return rules for store. Which API and endpoint do I use to fetch those rules? I already tried REST admin API policies, the JSON endpoint, but it returns the entire policy template, not the rules. For this, you're gonna need to use GraphQL. GraphQL works with this. I believe the GraphQL works with specific rules, though I'm not sure. Have you tried GraphQL or GQL? Yeah, new emojis. Let's go. Enjoy that. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh my god. I was about to do something, I forgot. Yeah, the introduction. I want to read it because I've seen quite a few new ones. So from Max Scriber, let's present myself. It'll be too fun. I'm Maxime, coming from Benin in Africa. As a web dev, I work with Laravel, Django, PrestaShop, CMS. I start learning how to code Shopify app for my new job. It's also why I'm here. I'm an otaku and I love he had to specify this part. I love it. Big fan. What are you guys doing? It's all my face now there. Okay, enjoy it while it lasts. Give you more phases if that helps. From Minize. I always had troubles pronouncing your names. Greetings, my name is Minize. But you can simply call me Mini. There it is, Mini. I hail from the vibrant country of India. There you go, we have another India. Bleached. You're from India, right? And have recently embarked on my professional journey with my first job. Congratulations, so happy for you. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards Weekly House teachings. His guidance has been instrumental in my learning process, significantly enhancing my skills and work performance. A big thank you to him. It kind of sounds like a job application. I would like to express my interest for applying this job. But yeah, thank you so much, Mini, for this amazing. Let me just write it. Thank you, Max Scriber and Mini, for sharing your passion and love towards our community. I am so happy that both of you are one of us. I'll be always happy. Thank you so much, Lena, for subscribing. I'll be always happy to help. There you go. Send that. Hold on. Damn, a lot of Indians in Shopify dev and your channel. Can I ask you for a small favor, Bernard? Yes, please. As long as it's not about money. You can ask Cornell about that. Sure, but yeah, just post it right. I love this. I, lo- I love this. Thank you so much for being a member, Lena. Use my face. Do that. Do that. And give advice, please. Feel free to post your questions, whatever, here in the chat. I'll be happy to answer them. If you have any favor to ask. Huh? From Cornell? No, someone's. Never mind. No, it was just someone's asking for a small favor, and I don't have money. Cornell have one, so you can ask him. From Adnan, hi. Welcome back to our stream. Happy to see you. From Adnan, hi. Welcome. Everyone using the emoji. Yeah, it's good. Thank you so much, Bleach, for taking that screenshot shot, and now everyone just loves it. Everyone loves my face. I'm born with it. Top chat. You're welcome. Yeah, just use my face, honestly. You know what? Everyone seems to be enjoying my face. Let me just post a lot of face here and there. That's for everyone. I'm just gonna start. Thank you so much. Wow, okay, there it is. Cornell, once again, gave away 5 memberships to our amazing community. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone for joining our community. Here they are again. I want to be in the top chat. Good job, you did it again. Let's go. Okay. Is there any way to like reduce that? It's kind of loud. Desktop audio. No, that's not it. Okay. From Nabil, Divian, Douglas, right? From Adnan. So yeah, speaking of that, who is it again? Amine. If you have any, I thought you have a small favor to ask. I'm waiting for it. And Adnan gave me a dot. I don't know what that means. Okay. If you guys have any funny thing to say, let me know. We have something here. Hey brother, thanks for the info. I'm looking into the GQL documentation, but currently unable to find. Really? It should be in a Shopify dev. Let me go to the API references. GQL. Should be rules, no? Or is it specifically? Return rules. Yeah, it's this one. Should be this one. Is in. Hold on, let me just double check. I'm not sure if I'm right. How big feed does YouTube and Streamlabs take? I haven't taken a look. I'm not sure. I think for YouTube they take like around 30%. Streamlabs, I'm not sure. I haven't checked. But usually they take 30%. So it's quite big. And is it 30%? Let me check. Should I check? That's a legendary face right there. Streamlabs. Revenue cut. Oh, Streamlabs that does not take a cut from your tips. Okay, there it is. That answers your questions. It does not take any cut, which is good. But YouTube does. 55% apparently. That's for ad revenue though. And a portion of subscription. Oh, there it is. It's 55. So I get just 45%. That's a lot, huh? Well, let me go back to the question of Deb. So default return rules. It should be this one, yeah. I think it should be this one. Isn't it? Isn't it this one? Right. How are you guys doing over there? I'm still waiting for the small favor. Haven't received any question yet. Oh, by the way, to the rest of you, how did you all spend your Valentine's Day yesterday? You guys received a lot of love? I hope so. Because I did. From all of you guys. I received plenty of love from all of you guys. Especially right now. I'm just really... I felt loved. So thank you. I hope you all felt the same way yesterday. With your family and friends. Hope you guys spent your time enjoying. I didn't. Well, let me love you then. I'm spreading love. That's all I can give. I'm just spreading happiness to every single one of you. I'm trying my best. Hold on. Can you give me your opinion on my YouTube channel? Oh, it is Amine. Okay. I guess we're reviewing YouTube channels now. I think I've seen this. Yeah, I've seen this. What are you talking about? I mean, you're doing great. You have 9K, 8K.
Here we have a product with multiple variant images, and when we select a variant, the images of the other colors are still visible. What if instead we could show only the images related to the selected color and hide the others? This is the problem that we're going to solve with copy-pastes of code, but only for the free Shopify themes like Dawn, Spotlight, Refresh, etc. This solution doesn't require editing your alt tags or creating variant meta fields. But you're probably wondering, how are we going to assign multiple images to each variant without these two?
This is amazing. The way you edit your videos, it's impressive. And you have plenty of people loving you, so good job. What else can I say? We should collaborate, to be honest. You're doing great. So if you need any Like, if you want me to be part of your video just to say something funny, let me know. I'll film something for you. If you need like part of your video to be me, I'll be happy to work with you. But overall, I like your work. You're doing great to the community, and I appreciate that. So yeah. From the foaming brain, there's an eye emoji from Rim. So hi Rim. And the foaming brain at Weekly How, are you really on Shopify Discord? What do you mean? I have my own Discord server. But if you're talking about the official Shopify Discord, no, I'm not there. I was there, but I left. Thanks for the feedback. No worries. Like I said, if you need any appearance myself, if you want me to be in there, just let me know. You can just contact me or like email me or something, and we can work together. From Bleach, please speak in the lobby regarding all these topics. Thank you so much for moderating. I had to delete the text from there. My moderator is good. I appreciate that. Okay, so jokes aside, thank you so much for sharing all that. Thank you for the good moments. If you guys have any ideas of what we can do next, let me know. But that being said, let's go back to our project, and maybe I can just push all of this because it's been a while since I pushed something. So that's the footer. It's footer. Okay, all this footer. And I would say this already complete, so let's set this to complete. And should be the footer section. Perfect. All right. What should we do next? We no longer need the settings data. Let's get rid of that. Let's close everything. Push. There we go. We can do some C programming. Nope. Today is the Wednesday, supposed to be the Wednesday stream. Which is supposed to be, actually, I'm supposed to have like a special event yesterday. Because it's Valentine's. Supposed to be something special that we do. But no, unfortunately I had to spend some time with friends. Loved ones. So that's why I decided to just move the stream to now and spend time with everyone. So I'm happy that you all are here. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, let's go back to Shrek. Let's work on that. Thanks, Bleach. What is the next template that we should do? Already did the 404. The article we already did. Did we? No, we didn't. Maybe let's work on that. Let's work on an article and let's make something funny. Should we? Let's go back to the admin and let's create a blog post. Let's create a blog post. And this is going to be a collaboration thing. What do you want to call this? Should I do a poll or something? With that, how can we do this? Hold on. Engaged. Start a Q&A. What should be the title of the blog post? Give me your funniest titles. Go. Shrek the goat. I don't see anything. What is that? Shrek the goat. I'll give you guys a few minutes. Is that even working? It is working. Do I have answers? Is Shreking Havoc necessary? That's nice. That's a nice title. I like that. Anyone else who would like to share with us tonight? The stream has some latency today, is it? To me, it's perfect. Though I haven't seen anything from Twitch. Maybe I'm missing something. Someone here? No one's here. Okay, I guess I can leave that alone. Couch Potato Chronicles. I like that. I like that. What else? I suck with blog titles. I like that. I like the title. That works too. Let's create all of that. First one is called Is Shreking Havoc Necessary? Is Shreking Havoc Necessary? Now, I believe there's an AI thing that we can... Okay, what's this blog about? This blog is about why it is necessary to Shrek Havoc to the community. The tone: expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuasive, supportive. Let's use, since this is yours, Bleach, which one do you like to use? Which one of tone you want to use? And I'm going to ask the same question to the other titles. So Bleach, which one works for you? Is it expert? Is it daring? Is it playful, sophisticated? Playful or expert? Okay. Playful, let's go playful. Special instructions. Make it an FAQ. Make it a list of reasons why it is necessary to Shrek Havoc. Make sure that it's about Shrek. Make sure to use Shrek movie references. Does that work? Okay, let's do that. I have an idea. Don't clip this. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. What is the tone? It's playful, right? quirky. No, that's not the right music. That's not the right music. Nah. Nah. I don't feel it. This works. This works. Okay. Let's go. Have you ever wondered why chaos and mischief are essential for a thriving community? Well, look no further. In this blog post, we will explore the importance of Shrek Havoc. Yes, you read that right. And how it can bring joy, laughter, and a little bit of ogre magic to our lives. So grab your onion and let's dive into the swamp reasons of why Shrek Havoc is necessary for the community. Number 1, embracing uniqueness. Just like our beloved green ogre, Shrek Havoc encourages us to embrace our quirks and celebrate our individuality. By disrupting the norm and challenging societal expectations, we create a space where everyone feels free to be their true ogre-tastic selves. After all, who wants to live in a world where everyone is a cookie-cutter princess or prince charming, am I right? It's time to let our freak flags fly. Number 2, spreading laughter and joy. Shrek Havoc is like a hearty belly laugh that echoes through the community. It brings people together, lightens the mood, and reminds us that not to take life too seriously. Whether it's pulling a harmless prank or organizing a flush mob in the middle of the town square, Shrek Havoc spreads laughter and joy like Donkey spreads his infectious enthusiasm. Number 3, breaking stereotypes. Shrek Havoc challenges stereotypes and break down barriers. Just as Shrek shattered the notion that ogres are necessary, are scary, and unlovable, Shrek Havoc allows us to challenge preconceived notions and see beyond the surface. It encourages us to question societal norms and embrace diversity in all its forms. Just like the motley crew of fairy tale creatures in Shrek's swamp. That is perfect. That is perfect. That is an amazing article for you. Bleached. So let's turn this off. That's a good content right there. If you clip that, that's for you. Let's save that. Right. Now we have our first article. Let's go to the next one, shall we? What is the next one? Did I get another answer? It's just the Couch Potato Chronicles. This one is for you, Amine. The Couch Potato Chronicles begin here. Let's add a new blog post. Type that. Couch Potato Chronicles. And let's create that. Okay, so what is this blog about? Amine, can you help me with this one? How can we make this? How can we make this work? Because we need context for this Couch Potato Chronicle. Is he part of the Shrek story? Is he a new character? Is he in the season 4 of Shrek? We'll find out. Tell a funny story about the Chronicles. A man struggling with laziness. We can put that in the special instructions. Tell a story about the chronicles of a couch potato. And the tone, should we should we use expert? What is the best tone for this? Or maybe we can use custom. What do you think, Amine? Let's make this something sarcastic. Okay, for the optional, make it about the struggle of the couch potato. Man struggling, who is struggling with laziness, struggling with laziness. Is that perfect? So what is this blog about? Tell a funny story about the chronicles of couch potato. The tone is going to be sarcastic. Make it about the struggle of a couch potato with laziness, struggling with laziness. Is that fair enough? You're having too much fun. I mean, come on. At some point we gotta make it interesting, because Bleach needs to clip this. He needs to make money for his next YouTube channel, which is going to be using my face. And that's something that we need to do. We need to make something funny. Okay? So let's generate this so we have content. As a streamer, you need to make funny clips. That's what I learned. Let's generate. And then we're gonna pick a music. This is long. Okay. Well, let's keep that. Why is it so hard to get up? Okay, I'm so excited to read it. I'm not gonna read it yet. Let's pick a music. It's not going to be quirky. Is it angry? Is it busy and frantic? Is it dark? Elegant? Is it epic? What is the best? Is it sexy? I don't think being lazy is a sexy thing, but maybe we can make it work. Let me read the first paragraph. Once upon a time in an... Okay, this is gonna be good. Once upon a time. Can you lower the music? Okay, sorry about that. Is it making it too loud? Okay. I didn't realize that. I apologize. Okay, we'll do that. For example. Does that work? Okay. It's not gonna be playful. It's going to be something epic. Because it started with once upon a time, so let's use epic. Once upon a time, in a not so far away, in a not so distant town of Shrek, there goes a young, beautiful lady. Does that work? Maybe let's find another one. This one works. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there lived a legendary creature known as the couch potato. This creature was known for its incredible ability to stay glued to the couch for hours on end, never venturing far from the comfort of its cushions. But little did the world know, the life of a couch potato was not as easy as it seemed. Why is it so hard to get up? Contrary to the popular belief, being a couch potato is not all fun and games. It takes a tremendous amount of effort to resist the urge to stay put and do absolutely nothing. The struggle is real, my friends. Every day, the couch potato battles with the eternal question to move or not to move. It's a constant internal struggle that can only be understood by fellow couch potatoes. Relatable. The temptation to stay in the same spot, binge watching the latest TV series is simply too strong to resist. The battle with laziness. One might think that being lazy is easy, but let me tell you, it's a full-time job. Is it? The couch potato must summon all its strength to resist the siren call of productivity. It's a battle of wills, and laziness always seems to come out on top. But it's not just physical effort that's challenging. The couch potato must also navigate the treacherous waters of guilt and self-judgment. Society tells us that we should be productive, that we should always be doing something. But the couch potato knows better. It knows that sometimes doing nothing is the best thing you can do. That's a quote by Sun Tzu, The Art of War. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the story of the night, The Couch Potato Chronicles. Buy it now online and use the coupon code POTATO. Did you like that story, Amine? That's perfect. This is great. Having fun with this. Couldn't finish it. From inventing elaborate excuses to postponing tasks. Oh my god. Did you clip that? Good job. Good job. You can make money out of that. Yeah, let's go. This is great. What happened there? Damn more. Okay. Let's save that. Why is it hidden? It's supposed to be visible. Let's make it visible and save that. That's perfect. There you go. And the last is, I believe someone said a title. I can now turn this off. No, I can't. Oh, we can end the Q&A. End. Confirm. Perfect. Let's go back to the chat. There you go. And the last article, I believe someone said it. It's called I Suck with Blog Titles. That's what she said. I didn't do that intentionally. I swear to God. I suck with blog titles. What do you have for me, AI? Why I suck with blog titles. The tone is going to be supportive. Let's go supportive. That's funny. Write a short article explaining why I suck with I don't know why I'm being sarcastic. Okay, let's make it generate and let's go back to Discord because something just there it is.
Incredible ability to stay glued to the couch for hours on end,
The music is not loud. Okay.
never venturing far from the comfort of its cushions. But little did the world know, the life of a couch potato was not as easy
As it
as it seemed. Why is it so hard to get up? Contrary to the popular belief, being a couch potato is not all fun and games. It takes a tremendous amount of effort to resist the urge to stay put and do absolutely nothing. The struggle is real, my friends. Every day, the couch potato battles with the eternal question to move or not to move. It's a constant, eternal struggle that can only be understood by fellow couch potatoes. Relatable. The temptation to stay in the same spot, binge watching the latest TV series is simply too strong to resist. The battle with laziness. One might think that being lazy is easy, but let me tell you, it's a full-time job. Is it?
That's a
The couch
funny clip
potato
right there.
must summon all its strength to resist the siren call of productivity. It's a battle of wills, and laziness always seems to come out on top. But it's not just physical effort that's challenging. The couch potato must also navigate the treacherous waters of guilt and self-judgment. Society tells us that we should be productive, that we should always be doing something. But the couch potato knows better. It knows that sometimes doing nothing is the best thing you can do.
Exactly.
Quote by Sun Tzu, The Art of War.
Exactly. That is beautiful. I like that. There you go. You have a clip right there. But I noticed that the video, the camera is using low latency. Is there any way I can fix that? Yikes. Hold on. Buffering. Enable. Default. Okay. Oh, what happened to my facecam now? Is that better? Is that better? I hope it's better. I'm gonna fix some of the problems with my settings because I haven't really went through it. But okay, if that works, let me know if it doesn't, and we'll get back to it. It's looking vintage, yeah, because the resolution is lowered. Hold on. Let me fix that. Custom. Okay. What about this? Is this one better? Is it better? Am I still late talking? What's going on? Let me try to go to my stream. Where's my stream? Let's go here. Twitch. Let me check. Twitch. Let me check. Hello. Twitch. Let me check. Hello. Okay, it's better. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm not gonna keep playing that. But yeah, okay. Great. So what is the last story that we have here? Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with the perfect blog title? You're not alone. Many writers, including myself, struggle with this seemingly simple task. In this article, I'll share with you why I suck. I love that. Why I suck. Sorry, I'm a bit immature. Let's make it visible. Enough of playing games. From Karim, hello, welcome back. I hope you're having fun here. From Cornell, hello, gotta go, sorry. Yeah, no worries. I'm so happy that you stayed with us. Thank you so much, Cornell, for the donations, for spreading love to the community. You're amazing as always. So yeah, don't apologize. I'm so happy that you always have time or take some time to join us. I'll see you next time if you have to go. Okay? And good luck with your work, with your projects. I'm so proud of you. And say my my greetings to your friend, a Shopify developer. He's amazing for helping you. Okay? Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time. Spread love. Okay. So now we have our articles. I guess we can start working with the template. Okay? So we're right here in the template article. We don't have anything in here, but I guess we can use article.title here. And article.body. Article dot. What do I have here? Content. There it is. So let's save that and let's go back to this. What is the title? What's the password again? Always forget. Yeah, damn it. Okay, scroll all the way down. This one. Paste it here. Okay, there it is. Never. Let's open a blog post. There you go. So now we have our article. But this is not our template. So that's funny. It's supposed to be. How do you access your articles? Well, what you can do is just copy this and just append that to the end of your URL. And it's saying, oops, page not found. Why is it not working? Am I missing something? Okay, so we have news. That's working. What about blogs? It's not working. It's not working either. I have an idea. Let's go to navigation. And let's open the main menu because I believe I do have here a bunch of links that we can use. So Shrek, let's change this to a blog post. And why? Ah, the reason why it's 404. The reason why this is 404, and that is because it is hidden. So you need to make it visible. That makes more sense. Okay, I apologize for that. Let's go back here, refresh. Still the same. Still the same. Okay. Let me just double check. Copy that. Paste it here. There we go. Perfect. So now we have our title and the content. Now we just need to give it a template, give it a style using Tailwind CSS, which is pretty easy. We also can use images, right? It's gonna be pretty quick, to be honest. Question from Amine. Have you done SEO optimization before, Bernard? Yes, I've done. I've worked before in the past as a SEO quote unquote expert. Not really, but I did. And what I did most of the time is just look for keywords and then make sure that it's not competitive but with enough traffic. I used to use Ahrefs, this one, to find like keywords. So for example, let me try if I can log in. So I have WeeklyHow here, and oh, it's actually not doing great. What happened here? Okay, so what I do is I open my page, for example, and I look for keywords, organic keywords, for example. And you can also search. I believe you can search keyword. Yeah, Keyword Explorer. But you need to pay for it. I used to pay for this. Not anymore. And then it'll give you how much competitive it is and how much traffic you can get from that keyword. And then use that keyword in your articles, in your titles. I'm not sure if it's still the same, because now Google changed its algorithm many times. So I'm not sure if what I do in the past is still working. I also noticed that my website, according to Ahrefs, it's not doing well. So look, it's negative 166. It's all negative. That's interesting. So maybe I'm losing traffic. Yeah. So they definitely changed their algorithms, and I need to work on that. How did you get backlinks? Oh, that's an interesting question, because back in my day, back in the day, I used to contact business owners, and I work with them. And whenever I work with them, I ask them if I can put my URL in your website. And I was able to. I got it. But the next day, they get rid of it. And now whenever I contact them, they don't respond. So I work with them. The pay is the backlink, but they just removed it. So lesson learned, don't do that. If you want to get paid with money, not with backlinks. And that's also very dangerous, because backlinks, if you pay for it, you get punished. You don't realize that, but your website is punished by the algorithm. I'm not sure if it's still the same. But yeah, there's many ways to get backlinks. If you want to make organic backlinks, I would suggest to I'm not an SEO expert, I'm not a marketing expert, but the best way to do that is by contacting bloggers, which is close to your niche, and then post an article. Give them an article that is close to you, to your niche, and close to their niche. So there's like a connection between you two. And then in your article, you can like segue that, hey, if you're interested, there is this article that I wrote that can also be helpful with what you're trying to do here. That's the best way to do it. It's organic. It's not gonna hurt both of you. It's informative. That's the best way to get a backlink. But as always, I'm not an SEO expert. I don't know much anymore how it works now because a lot of things change now that we have AI. I was hoping that since AI has evolved these years, I was hoping that it would also give us plenty of traffic, because AI would be, hey, I found this website. I found this WikiHow website here that is teaching this, teaching that. Visit it. But for some reason it doesn't. Maybe I'm not that good at writing articles about Shopify development, but who knows. So yeah, if you're looking for backlinks, that's my advice. Anyway, let's get back to our work. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna make this into a simple blog post. Okay, so let's do Tailwind CSS blog post. Just find a simple blog. Hey Bernard, do I have a permission to pen test your website? Can you explain? Can you put a context? Like, see if there's a vulnerability. There probably is, but I try my best to secure it, especially my main account. So you can't really access the admin, because whenever if somehow you got my password, you would need to have access to my phone, which you don't have. So yeah, sure. If you wanna try if there's any vulnerability with WikiHow, feel free to do that. Okay. I like this one. This one looks good. HTML. Okay, I like this. Let's copy that. Let's get back to our template article.liquid and just paste it all in here. And then let's save this. Let's get back to our article. There you go. So we have that. What the hell is that? We'll fix that. First, where is that image? I need to find that image. This one right here. Okay, so flex call. For some reason, the Tailwind CSS is not working. Okay. Supposed to be row. Oh, there it is. Let me just bring it back to columns. Okay. There you go. And let's fix this. It's using dark mode. So let's just get rid of the dark here. We don't need that. I can do the same thing here. There's no dark anymore. There's dark in here. Let's get rid of that. Let's search for other darks. Don't need those. Okay, is there another one? There's dark text violet here. Don't need that. And there's dark border gray here. Get rid of that. What else? I think that's good. Okay, let's save that. And let's get back to our page. There you go, perfect. And we just need to replace this with the actual title, the author, and the content here. Okay, let's do that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of the class. Let's get rid of this too. Now, for the Leroy Jenkins, let's replace this with an object, and that's going to be the article.author. There we go. And for the time, date, time, we replace this with the article dot created at. And I believe there's a filter for this, which is date. Okay, that's it. And for this, I'm not sure if we need to interpolate anything in there. Let me just double check. Let's see. Okay, I think that's good. So now I have my name over there and the date. For this, I believe we can just do the same thing. Just interpolate the article that created at and use the filter date. Perfect. And let's do the same thing for the title. This one right here. Let's use the article dot, that's right, it's supposed to be the title. For this hashtag right here, I'm not sure what we can do with this because we don't have that. Unless there is a way to make use of other attribute. Like for example, the tags. Maybe we can use that. Just put the tags right here. Yeah, that should work. So here, let's do the object article dot tags. And now let's replace this insert the actual text content here with the content, the article dot content. There it is. Now the problem with this is that right now here we're using the paragraph tag. The thing is the content attribute returns an HTML code. So we can't nest it with other HTML. The paragraph tag is not gonna work. So we replace this, or just get rid of the paragraph tag. Let's wrap the content with a div. It should be good. Okay. And we have other things here, like for the H4, we have the same author. We can just replace this with the same article dot author. And I don't know what we're gonna do with this long paragraph. Is there any article attribute that we can use? Excerpt or content handle, meta fields, moderated, published at, updated. There's nothing really we can do with this. Unless there is like a meta field, you can do that. But let's skip that for now. Maybe we can make use of that later on. But what else do we have here? So there's also icons here, which is for the social media. You can also do it here. Do the same thing that we did in the previous stream. If you guys remember, we separated all of these SVG tags into a snippet file. You can do that here to make it cleaner and easy to reuse. So we have the snippets here. We have the icon GitHub. We already have it here, right? So instead of this SVG, we can use the render tag and reference the file icon GitHub. Just like that. And I'm seeing a dark theme, so let's get rid of this. And now if we save that, we should have the same icon. Okay, so now we have the icon here. Because we already have the SVG tag inside of the snippet file. And you can do the same thing for this. What you can do, move this code into a snippet file. So what is this? I don't know what icon is that. So let's just get rid of that. I don't know which platform is that. Twitter, do we have Twitter here? We don't have Twitter, so let's copy this. Or Twitter doesn't exist anymore, it's X, but whatever. Let's get rid of that. It's not a thing anymore. Email, okay. Let's move this SVG tag to a new icon, email dot liquid. Space it here. And make sure that we fix the class. Okay, so it's good. Save it. And then here, we'll use the render tag and reference the icon email. Perfect. And make sure that we get rid of the dark classes. There you go. Let's get back here. Reload the page. And we should have the email here. Okay? My name is here, but like the photo is a woman. I look stunning. I look pretty. There you go. What else can we do? If we take a look at our page source code, inside of this body tag, notice that I mentioned earlier, right? If we use the article.content inside of a paragraph tag, we already have the paragraph tags here, so it's not gonna work if we do that. So make sure that you wrap it with an actual div to make it work. And to make it prettier, what we can do is style it. How can we do that? Using CSS, of course. So here in div, let's give it a class of article content. Okay. And then let's create a style sheet here. And let's reference the article content. And then we need to target a selector, which is that the paragraph tag and the h2. That's pretty much it. That's all we have here. So let's try with h2 first. And let's give this a font size of 1.5 rem or 1.75 rem. And let's give it a font weight of 500 or 700. And let's give this a margin top of 12 pixels and a margin bottom of 12 pixels. I think that should work. Save that. Let's try to reload this. There you go. So if we make this smaller, that's good. That's perfect. If you want, you can always adjust the margin. Give it like 18. That way it's clearer. Yeah, that's better. There you go. So that's pretty easy. If you want, you can always customize the classes. Since we have a paragraph tag over there, you can do the same thing, article content, paragraph, and you can style it up like however you want. So you can change the font size to 1.1 rem, and you can change the font color. So color to, I don't know, should be the hex value. So let's try to create the right color for that. Color. Usually I do it like this, and then I just adjust it. Oops. Yikes. I select this. I was like, hey, which color is the right one for this? It's not too dark, not too bright. And also look at the contrast ratio. Make sure that it's checked. Otherwise, if you do it like this, it's not readable. So you can always use this to pick which color works. So usually I go with this, like 12.5 or something. And I can just copy that, go back here, paste it there, and save. And now, if you reload this, they should all have the same color. Or no, hold on, it's not working yet. Is it working now? Okay. So there seems to be a problem. What is the problem? Invalid property value, what do you mean? 343434. It's not supposed to be wrapped with single quotes. Sorry. There it is. So let's go back. And now it should have the same color. Good. Okay. Now let's go with an image. Same thing. What you can do is check if article dot image is true. If it's true, then we add an image. Let's create a div and use an image tag with a random src and an alt of, which is going to be the title of the article. So article.title. I usually do it like that. And then else we will use a placeholder image tag. So it's supposed to be shoot. Let's go to shopify.dev. Placeholder svg tag, and let's pick a good image. Blog apparel. Let's do that. Blog hyphen P rel 1, and then we'll use the placeholder svg tag just like that, and let's give it a width of full. Save. Let's go back to our article, reload, and there you go. Now we have an image. Pretty easy. And you can style it, give it a round LG, and that should be good. Now you have an article with an image. But this is just a placeholder. So we still need to make this work. So how can we make that work? Well, instead of doing it like that, we're going to use the article.image and then use the image tag. Okay. All right, man, I gotta go now. It's almost 3 a.m. Yeah, I noticed that. It's also late in here, so I'm gonna be ending this one too once I finish this template. Yeah, thank you so much for joining again. It was fun. I'm gonna be seeing you next week for sure. Okay? So take care of yourself, get some rest, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for moderating the stream. Thank you so much for the good time. It was fun. As always. So yeah. Have a good night. Sleep well. Okay. Thank you so much, Amine. It was fun. But yeah, let me just finish this. And once it's done, I'll also end the stream and talk for a little bit. Okay? Alright, Bleach. Sleep well. Bye. Good. Let's go back in here. Let's try the article.image and image tag. Not sure if that's gonna work. It's not gonna work because we don't have an article image yet. So let's add an image here. Is there any way I can like... No, let's use the emoji then. Hold on. Update image. No. Hold on, I think I have an idea. Let me just save this once again. Put it in the desktop. Put it there. Hold on. There it is. Remove, add an image. This one. There you go. And let's give it an alt of Shreking Havoc. Save. Save it. Let's go back to the article. Okay, so we got an error. Input to image tag must be an image URL. So we need to use the filter image URL. So let's add another image filter. It's going to be image URL. The thing is, yeah, this 2 right here is already deprecated. So you should use the image with AE. Something you need to keep in mind. Okay. Image URL must define a width and height. So we need to put a width, not a weight. And we need to set it to... Hold on. Let's go with media. Article image URL. Oh, there's actually a filter. Oh, it's already deprecated. Has been replaced by image URL. Right. Okay. Maybe we can do it like this. Large. That should work. No. Input to image tag must be an image URL. This is not working. So we need to pass a width and give it 512 pixels and a height of 512 pixels. Not sure if that's going to work, but let's see. There we go. There it is. Well, let me just see what we can do with image URL. Because it's asking for a number. Let's get rid of the height. 1920. 1920. It's quite big. Yeah, there it is. We can just add here class, like width full and rounded large. That should be enough. Oh, didn't work. How can we add a class? Image tag. Lazy loading. Width, height, sizes, with src set, preload, alt. Okay, yeah, it's class. Class, and just pass it here. Just like that. Can you make the image big enough to be outside of the article container? Yeah? Let me see. Yeah, sure. Well, it's pretty easy. What you can do, it's already separated because this one right here, this is the content, right? What you can do is wrap this with a div. Hold on, it's cluttered. I'm so sorry. So wrap this with a div, just like that. And give this a class of container. And for this article image, you can give this a class of container fluid. So it's going to be different. I'm not sure if Tailwind have a fluid container, but from what I remember, that's bootstrap thing. Let's go to tailwind.css and search for container. No, they don't. It doesn't have any container fluid. So we need to specify that. We can create our own. Okay. Right. So this is not gonna work. What we can do is, since we are setting a maximum width here, what we can do is move this maximum width in this div with a container class. So now this should be different. Let's see what happens. There we go. But this thing right here is not aligned properly. So what we can do is give this a MX auto. So now this thing should be in the middle. There we go. Does that work for you, Amine? And it's still going to be the same thing if we go to mobile view. Still going to be big. Okay. And that's it. We can just add like a margin Y here of 10, just to give it a bit of space from the title. And this one too. I don't know what happened there. The title, where's the title? This is the title, right? So MX Auto space Y4. Let's give this an MY of 16. Do that. Oops, not working. Hold on. There's no errors. There you go. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. There you have it. We are done with our template article. And you will find the same thing. You will see the same thing if we go to other articles. For example, the Couch Potato Chronicles. Let's copy the URL or the handle. Let's copy that. Go back here. Paste it here. And we should have the same output. Has the same image, but now it's bigger than the container of the content. Great. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna end this right here. At least we were able to finish a template and at the same time have fun, enjoy with everyone. So yeah, I'm really happy with tonight's stream. Once again, I apologize if I was not able to stream yesterday, but I'm glad I did today. Okay. As always, everyone, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for participating and helping me create this template, making it fun. Shout out to Cornell and Bleach for making sure that the stream is entertaining. And also, shout out to you, Amine, for participating, and to the rest of the viewers who are here and joined us. Thank you. What else? Okay, so for next week, I'll try to stream on Monday, though I can't promise because I will have a meeting with my my coworkers. Though I'm not sure if it's Monday. I think it was Monday. Let me check my schedule. Monday. Oh no, I don't think it's Monday. Tech Weekly. It's 2:30. 2 and 2:30. And 2:30 to 3 p.m. Right, I might be able to stream on Monday. Let me see. Oh no, it's 19. Hold on. 19. And then we have 21. Okay, yeah, I think I'll be able to stream on Monday. Let's see. And I think I'll just continue on YouTube as well, since I'm using Streamlabs now. And we'll continue Shopify development. Otherwise, we'll try to have fun and do something else. Okay. Shout out to Bruno for being a fun. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I mean, like I said, thank you so much for sharing your work. I had fun with your work. So good job for that. Keep doing what you're doing. And if you need anything, collaboration, if you want to collab, just let me know. Hit me up. And I'll be happy to work with you. Okay? Right. So that being said, I'll be going now. Thank you so much once again for tonight's stream. I'll see you all. Bye-bye. Take care, Amine. And to the rest of you. Spread love. Bye. Where's my switch? I can't find that.